Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. The credit for today's bracelet goes to our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. Full tutorial how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner information cards. Also down below in the description box, there you can find as well the tutorial for this Paracord wrist and full tutorial for this beautiful bracelet I am wearing today. So don't forget to check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So from here we're gonna take our dark gray and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between 2 dark gray core strands. And we're gonna pull it to the side. Now from here we're gonna pass it around and through the loop on top of the bracelet core strands. And here we're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna cross it with this dark gray, pass it from the top to the middle, so from the top through the gap in the middle and to the back. And now we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the left and under this dark gray paracord, and also under this gold paracord as well on top of the 4 bracelet core strands. Now from this end we're gonna take again our dark gray and pass it from the top into the gap between the gold cords and to the side, to the right side. And then we're gonna return it from the right through the loop and on top of the core strands. Now here we're gonna take our gold paracord, pass it from the top into the middle. And from the middle we're gonna return it through the loop under the gray paracord and the gold. So like that, and on top of the 4 core strands and to the side. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, I'm wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!